If you're like me, you hate constantly posting on social media when you'd rather be focusing on growing your business instead. For e-commerce store owners, this can be especially frustrating, having to consistently post on Instagram just to grab the attention of potential customers. Now imagine a tool that automatically creates an engaging professional Instagram post every time you add a new product to your Shopify store. Sounds unheard of, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI-powered automation that does just that, with no coding required. Everything you need to follow along and create this tool is in the description below. With all that out of the way, let's get into it. All right, we're into make.com. Sign up link in the description. Just click that, follow all the steps, create an account, easy and done. Then you want to go head over to scenarios here, sidebar, and then create a new scenario. This automation is very easy to set up. It's only got a few modules. So yeah, we'll just get into that now. First one we want to do, Shopify and watch products. So this watches for when a new product is created. So a new product gets created, captures it, and all we want to do is status. We want to do active products. We don't want to do anything that's archived or a draft because you're not actually selling them yet. So got to do everything that's actually active. Do a limit depending on how many posts you want to create. Do like 5. Thing about Instagram is that we don't want to post too much, so then it'll think you're a bot, and then your account will get taken down, and don't want that happening. We also want to do published as well, and then you can choose wherever you want to start. Choose manually, I find is the easiest, especially when you're testing it. See, it's got all the products that have just come in, so we'll start it from this one. And on that topic, we want to make sure that's in our database here. That's how we'll be getting photos that we're not putting on Shopify store here. So say sometimes you have, photos that you want to show for the store, and then photos that say you have like a photo shoot for, like you're getting photos specifically for Instagram and other social media platforms. We could put that in our database here. And yeah, that's what we got here. So this one, I've just got some photos here, like the basic one, and then a photo we got here. And show the whole image. Yep, there you go. Something got off the internet. But yeah, that's all good. So yeah, make sure that's all updated, because that's how we'll actually get the photos. Now, next one we want to add is we want to add our OpenAI module, create a completion. This is how we'll get the specific product from our database. Model, we'll do 4O mini, very simple task we needed to do. So we use a light model, and this model also gets great results as well. What we want to do, add our message, system, and copy and paste from the prompt. That'll be in the description, direct you to Discord community, which will then have the document that you need to download. Oh, if you're wondering why I don't use school like every other generic side hustle online guru guy, school costs money, money that I don't really want to spend on right now. Discord's free. Discord, it's more user-friendly as well. Everyone knows how to use Discord, pretty much. And yeah, school's overrated. It's good for selling courses though, but yeah, I'm not the course guru. So I'd rather be the guy who actually runs the agency and not the course seller. So yeah, school's overrated. So I'm gonna copy and paste that here. Now let's extend this, make it look nice. When you guys copy and paste your prompt in from the document, it'll be all jumbled up. It's like there'll be no spaces. So what I mean by that, if I show you quickly, it'll be something like this, but then you'll have to nicely format it. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna copy and paste it from a module I already have, so it looks nice, and we don't have to spend time going through all that. Now, we've got our role here, and when you do it for your store or whatever you want to use it for, you want to change the prompt for your business. So, as an example, doing a dummy company, Viroware, sells eco-friendly sells eco-friendly bags right here. So yeah, you just want to change that to whatever you do or whatever you sell. How we're creating formula to get the right product, you get it from the product title. So if you go to database here, we're using the product title. See here, Viroware backpack jute blue. So this formula gets 3 things here that we can use to narrow down and get that product. So go back to the prompt here. We've got all our filtering values here. So we have, so we have the products. So when you do it, you'd have to add your products. Easier to edit in Microsoft Word, for the record. And another value here, materials. And yeah, and I know I've got colors, but don't really need to add all the colors, and cover that in the examples as well. Like some of these things are quite distinct. So yeah, we need to classify those values there. So yeah, examples here to narrow down how we want it to respond every time, to make sure it only responds with the formula, because we don't want it to be like, sure, here's your formula. It has that all-in-one response, and when you put it in the next module, the Airtable module, it won't pick it up correctly. So yeah, just responds with the formula here, and this will narrow down the specific product, what I was talking about earlier. See, we have our category, which is the backpack. There's that material, natural hemp, got that there, and then get the color, bang. And then yeah, the color's quite self-explanatory. These ones can differ, so gets all that. And then back to the prompt, back to the Airtable base. So when we'd run this, say we'd have the formula that gets the backpack, material, and the color, it'll get all that. And these ones are single select values. So to make so those narrow it, so that will help narrow it down. And if we just did backpack, material, and category, we have so many backpacks made in the jute material, so it'll get all of these products that we've already added to our Shopify store. Then we get the wrong photos and the wrong data, so don't want to do that. And yeah, there's that. So yeah, that's that done. And now just go ahead, create the Airtable module, search records. You'll do your connection, a few steps into creating a connection, and I did that in a previous video. Don't want to go through it now. Just want to get through getting this done. So yeah, check that video out. Teach you how to do the Airtable connection. Also do online help. And yeah, I'll just select my connection now. Get the right base. That one. Just quickly make sure. Yep, right base. Make sure I got the right connection. Because that's how we can actually use our table for this module here. Import a table. And then grid view. And then output fields, select the fields we want. So in this case, image URL. But say for the description, you want to use something that you may not put in the product description for your Shopify store for whatever reason. Say to grab the viewer's attention. You want that few sentences in the description. So yeah, maybe in the database you have more detailed description of features and stuff like that. Add that field. Say got it here, description. Or do a different field like USPs or something, and then you just select that, and then you can use it for a future module where we create a caption, use that to work it in, and then you can use that for Instagram. But yeah, heaps of things you can do here. For now, image URL, the formula. Now back to what we were saying here. that is how we can get our specific product. So we do result, because the result of this with the formula we need to get the right product we need. Limit, just leave it there because it's going to get one product anyway. So that's done and dusted right there. You can also name these as well. So say if you left this for a while, you're trying to remember what's going on, just create a nice name and bang, come back, like, oh, sweet. Shopify creates our table formula, and then get product info, something like that, or do get image. Easy, done. Now let's create our next OpenAI module. This is how we'll create a nice caption for the Instagram post. Create a completion again. Just need to let me set something up real quick, but yeah, that's all good. Model for a mini again, caption, quick type of task, so it doesn't require too much brain power to create a 2-3 sentence caption. So do mini again, and go ahead and create a message user. All right, this is another prompt that you got to paste in from different document. This is our prompt for our caption creator assistant, like GPT, whatever the hell. So I'll just copy and paste that in. Again, when you copy and paste from the document, it won't be formatted like we want it to be formatted, but so I can get through this, I'm going to copy and paste it from somewhere else. So we're telling it it's an expert copywriter. 2 to 4 sentence Instagram post for the below product, title, description from Shopify. And then, as I was saying earlier, you can add whatever you want from the database, and then just chuck it there. And then we have our examples of captions to create. And when you do this for whatever you want to do, you put in captions for captions that you really like, so that you consistently get a good output. And then you can take out the emojis if you want. Do whatever you want there. And a few little notes. When you tell it to use English Australian spelling, sometimes it'll use some slang. So if it keeps doing that when you test it, avoid slang. Do that if it's doing slang. Or even better, always avoid Australian. Always avoid Australian slang. But because the examples don't have any slang, then should be okay. But if it's doing that, you can add that in. If you don't want to do hashtags, avoid creating hashtags and any tags in general. And then again, only do respond with your final caption. So say you were to create the post, you don't want to have it saying, sure, here's your Instagram caption in the response, because then you'll see that on the Instagram post. Like when you read it, you don't want to see in the description, it says, oh, here's your Instagram caption, and then the caption after that. So yeah, only respond with final caption. And just do that. Next, I want to post it to Instagram. So Instagram for business. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, when you're creating a connection for OpenAI module, wait, I'll just press that, create a photo post. I'll rename that as well. Post IG. Save, always save these. Yeah, when you're doing your OpenAI connection, you want to get your API keys, the quick link to that in the description below. Copy and paste it there, give it a good name too for quality control. Organization ID if you have that, doubt you will, but yeah, whatever you want to do there. But now get back to IG post. You also want to make sure when you do this, you have your Instagram account connected to Meta Business Suite. because that's just how the connection works. But, and yeah, if you, and your account will need like a good amount of followers, because I tried to create a new Instagram account and it didn't work. So yeah, this is my shameless plug. This shameless plug. It's my Instagram account. So yeah, put the connection there. Photo URL. Want to do our image URL here, and then in the database, say I want to get the second photo. We'll just put it there. Go back to our database here. Go to the photos. See, we have, this is the one I want, the second photo here. I can just delete this, and then if you do delete that, then you don't have to put that in. But, I just want to show you guys what you can do here. So, put that there. Caption, bang, right there. Easy, done. And that's our automation setup. And with that done, let's go ahead and test this tool out. Right, let's go ahead and test this. So, save that. Always save this. Doesn't really auto-save, so you don't want to lose everything. And you can also give it a nice title as well. Right, let's first, when you test it, choose where to start. Choose manually. And then I'm just going to do the most recent one here. And let's go ahead and run that. Right, so see, it's made the formula here. And again, it's got our 3 things here. It's getting that. Cool. And it's gotten the searching for this product here, image URL, and there we go. It did get 2 images, which is good. So it does show that we did get the right product from here. And it's got the ID as well. Can't really search that, but for the other ones, I know in my database, every one of my products has 4 photos. This one had 2, and yeah, great. That works out. And it's made the caption here. Pretty nice. And then it's made the Instagram post. So let's go to my Instagram. Let's refresh that. And there we go. It's got the caption there. There you go. Could use a better photo to crop it nicely, but for the purpose of this video, just showing a nice example of what you can do here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Found this helpful? Drop a comment and let me know what else you guys want to see next. Subscribe to the channel, and everything you need to create this tool is in the description below. Sign up links and the resources in the Discord community. So need those resources, go join that community, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you around.